Oh my gosh, guys, you should see how much makeup there is just everywhere. Okay, it really doesn't look as dirty as it really is, but like, look at it. What is this? What even is this? Get out of here. So I need to do some tidying because the only time I'll actually get around to tidying up this stuff is when I can't actually work at this desk anymore. Hello everyone, I'm here today to share with you guys a video that I saw Katy did a couple weeks ago, and it was 10 things you didn't know about me, and I was like, I bet there are at least 10 things that y'all don't know about me. At least 10. I actually did another video similar to this on my RachhLoves Life channel, so if you want to know more random things about me, you can go and check out that video. But I thought it'd be fun to like share some stories of things. Like, I don't even know if Chris knows all these stories, to be honest. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you do. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And without further ado, let's get into this. I'm gonna start by closing all of these drawers. Thought it was stuck. So one thing that you guys might not know about me is that I did dance for a number of years. I did everything from jazz, acro, ballet. I did hip hop for a while. And I am very tall and quite like gangly, and it doesn't seem to translate that well into jazz. So they'd always stick me at the back of any of the like dance recital things. Like usually in the back left corner. That was my wheelhouse. That was my jam. That is where the magic happened. Look at all of these brushes, guys. I have so many brushes I need to clean, so I'm just gonna put them down here in front of me and hope that serves as a reminder for me to actually clean them and they don't just sit here for a week and a half. Another thing that you guys might not know about me is that, you know those like things where it's like how you show and appreciate love? There's like acts of service, there's physical touch, there are words of affirmation, all those different things. For me, it's always acts of service. Like, I don't need presents. I don't need you to tell me that I'm awesome. I mean, I am pretty awesome. Number 3, I'm very sarcastic, but I appreciate so much if someone takes time out of their busy schedules to do something for me. So for example, like my birthday, Chris was asking, he's like, what do you want for your birthday? And I'm like, I don't want anything. I just want to like sit in a lounge chair with one of my good girlfriends that came over for the weekend. I was like, I just want to sit in a lounge chair with her by my parents' pool and do nothing all day. And that is exactly what I did. I did absolutely nothing. I just sat down, we chatted, Chris cooked all the meals, put the kids into nap thing, he did all the diapers, like he did everything. And it was the best birthday I've ever had. Another thing I wanted to mention, I did mention it in a video on last Sunday, I think. And it's that I have anxiety and depression, and a lot of you guys did not know that, which I'm surprised. I thought I had mentioned that before, but a lot of you didn't know that. So I wanted to mention that again, because that's something that I've dealt with for the last, I don't know, 10 years. I'm on medication for it. I've done therapy. I am in like a good place with where I'm at with it, but it's always going to be a struggle for me. I get so overwhelmed with clutter, and hence why I'm cleaning all of this right now. But like I get to the point where I shut down, like I can't focus. I get very over emotional. Everything gets very overwhelming to me. I work in a very like what fire needs to be put out first kind of a mode, and so that puts me on high adrenaline all the time. And I try and balance kids and work and family and friends, and it's a lot. So it's something that I deal with a lot. I talk about it sometimes on my RachhLoves Life channel in case you guys are interested, but a lot of you guys didn't know that and really appreciated that I mentioned it, so I want to mention it again. It is something that I deal with. I am very open about it. I don't hide it. I talk to my friends and family about it, and it's just something that is very common base for me, and I think that it's something that people should talk about more, and I think it's really important. I feel like I can't talk and also sort all the things that are up here, so I'm just gonna bring them down to me. Nail clippers, why do I have nail clippers here? By the way, I just tested this out today. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. Oh my gosh, it is really pretty. A little dark for my skin, this is light medium, but it's really pretty. Another thing is that I swear a lot. And I've never done it on my channel just because I've never done it on my channel before, and I know that there are younger people that watch my videos. But when I'm with Chris or my friends or my family, not my kids, but like around the adults, I swear a lot. And yeah, that's probably something you guys don't know because you've never probably seen me do it. So next I want to share with you guys a story of something that happened to me in university. Kind of has to do with like my anxiety and depression and what I was going through, because I was kind of going through like all of it at that moment. I was going through exams, I was stressed out, I was away from home, all those things. And so basically it's kind of funny now. At the time it wasn't that funny, but it's a little funny right now. And basically I was grocery shopping and I had my grocery cart and I was kind of going through, and this is part of the reason another thing you might not know, I don't grocery shop. Chris does all of the grocery shopping. But I was going through the aisles and I was very overwhelmed with all of the boxes, and there was so much going on around me, and I was stressed out with exams. It was later at night, and I'm just going around and picking up all my groceries. And then this woman comes up to me and I'm looking at her and I was like, you don't talk to people in the grocery store, right? Is that just me? And she's like, I think that's my cart. And I'm looking down and I realize I've been wheeling around the grocery store with her cart for the last half an hour. At this point, I don't even know where my cart is. I just sort of blanked out in sort of this anxious fog. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. This poor woman was following me around the grocery store being like, what is she doing? That was a real thing that happened to me. I felt so bad. Boxes. Recycling. There. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Paper doesn't fly as well. There we go. I failed my driver's test twice. 2 times. This many. The first time I was going left at an intersection and an ambulance was coming from somewhere, and I thought it was coming from behind me from what I could hear. So I was trying to pull into the thing because it was starting to turn yellow, and so I just turned left and I was immediately failed because it wasn't coming from that direction. And then the second time, I think it was a parking thing I didn't do a good job with. And so I had to go the third time where I finally passed. So I remember going with my dad at 4 o'clock in the morning. You had to line up to do a same day test. And we were sitting there outside waiting for it to open. And I was just so anxious, just wanted to get it done. And my dad has this little iPad and he's just doing work and whatever. And I still can't listen to Michelle Branch without thinking of the drive there and the sun coming up. Wow, Michelle Branch, that is a TBS, I guess, since it's Sunday. One of my favorite Disney movies ever is Mulan. It is so good. It is, I can't do this whole talking and putting things away clearly. I feel like my sister and I can quote every single line in that movie. Just the music's really good and the Eddie Murphy's freaking hilarious. And yeah, no, obsessed. Oh wait, no, this goes in my everyday drawer. Okay, a lot of you guys are probably gonna roll your eyes at this one, but I can't pee in front of Christopher just because I don't want to. I don't think he'd care, but I care. In front of my sisters, sister-in-law, my mom, anyone else, don't care, but will not in front of Chris. I don't like it. It makes me very uncomfortable. Another story for you. I used to horseback ride a lot when I was a kid. I love horseback riding. And so when I was working full-time, not when I wasn't doing YouTube and I was just working in marketing, I remember being I want to go back into horseback riding. And so I was okay, I'll go to a barn and I'll sign up for lessons and I'll go once or twice a week. And so I found this one barn, and so I was trying to find it because it was kind of hidden a bit, off roads and stuff and over train tracks and stuff. And so I finally got there and I was this is beautiful. I'm so excited. It was big and really bougie with all these front gates and everything. And then I get inside and no one is around. There's one guy and he's grooming his horse and that's it. I was this is weird because usually it was after school kind of time. There's usually a lot of lessons going on with most places. So anyway, I was just talking to this guy and petting his horse and stuff, and he was asking me if I was looking to part board a horse, if I was bringing my horse. I was oh, I don't have a horse. And he's oh, are you training and stuff? And I don't know what made me say this, but I was yes, I am. And then we got into all these conversations, and then all of a sudden the head person of the stable comes down and she's oh, are you coming in to board a horse and do competitions and stuff? And I'm yes. Because at this point, I'm too far in. I didn't want to be no, I'm just trying to do lessons and learn again how to saddle a horse. So I just kept going with it. I'm picking up their legs and their hooves and looking at them, hoping I looked intelligent. Then she gave me her number and she's you think about it, here's the pricing sheets and these are the horses. Come back, we'll have you on a horse and we'll figure it out. And I was yeah, I would love that. And never called again, but it's just something that I walked out of there and I was that was weird. Why did I do that? I also love writing short stories and scripts, and I used to do that a lot in elementary school and high school. Anytime it was that kind of subject, a topic in English class and stuff, I always knew that I was going to do really well. I'm so terrible at math, but English English I could do, especially script writing. I really love doing that, and like the short stories and just creating this world and bringing it into life in words. It was so much fun, and I loved reading as a kid, so that was like a big thing for me. And I just remember I got the English award in elementary school, and my teacher was up at the front, and he's like, when she writes her first script and has a movie out, I will be first in line to watch it. And while I don't write movie scripts, I am on the YouTubes, internets. Here I am. I'm gonna go to wash my brushes now, so you should go and check out the videos that are over here. Wait, maybe they're not. Maybe they're over here. I just tested out a bunch of Amazon makeup on Thursday. You should go and check out that video. And just, you know, just continue. Because I mean, you're here anyway, and you're clearly watching YouTube videos. So maybe, you know, just keep going. Just keep watching some more. I hope you guys enjoy this. If you do watch some more videos, go and leave a comment on that video with the fact that you came from this video. I'm kind of curious where you guys end up. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos that come out every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this like random video whilst I cleaned. Thank you for keeping me company, because otherwise it's pretty boring. I mean, like, I still watch Friends, so it's not like super boring, but it's like better with you guys. Yes, I said it. You're better than Friends. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you guys all on Tuesday. Love you, girls. Mwah!